Welcome back to English Guru, your go-to channel for mastering English speaking skills. Today, we're diving into 10 pro ways to speak English in 2025, smart, futuristic, and super effective tips to keep you ahead of the curve. Ready? Let's go. Tip 1. Embrace AI tools for practice. AI tools are your personal English coaches. Apps like ChatGPT and Duolingo AI can simulate real conversations, correct your mistakes, and even suggest better word choices. Spend 15 minutes daily with these tools, and you'll see a transformation. Tip 2. Focus on global English, Globish. English is spoken differently across the world. Focus on Globish, a simplified version of English that's universally understood. Avoid overly complex words and stick to clarity and precision. Tip 3. Stay updated with modern slang. Language evolves fast, especially with social media. Terms like "it's giving" or "low-key" are everywhere. Follow influencers, watch reels, and keep your vocabulary trendy. Tip 4. Use smart pronunciation tools. Apps like Elsa Speak or Youglish can fine-tune your pronunciation. Record, listen, and improve, simple yet powerful. Tip 5. Participate in virtual communities. Join global communities online, forums, gaming groups, or webinars. Speaking with people from different cultures sharpens your fluency and confidence. Tip 6. Master business and digital communication. Emails, LinkedIn posts, and virtual meetings are where professionals shine. Learn to write crisp emails, use professional jargon, and present confidently in online calls. Tip 7. Practice with voice assistants. Voice assistants like Alexa and Siri are perfect for quick practice. Ask questions, give commands, and notice how they respond, a fun way to practice daily. Tip 8. Learn idioms and cultural references. Idioms bring life to your conversations. For example, break the ice means to start a conversation. Learn them, use them, and impress your audience. Tip 9. Develop active listening skills. Great speakers are great listeners. Listen to TED Talks, podcasts, or interviews to understand accents, tones, and new phrases. Tip 10. Speak fearlessly in public settings. Confidence is key. Join open mics, discussion panels, or live Q&A sessions. The more you speak, the better you'll get. These 10 pro tips are your ticket to speaking fluent, confident, and modern English in 2025. Which tip did you like the most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Guru. See you in the next video.